It took quite a few months to find the right partner that was thinking not problems but solutions. It took us a number of rounds of prototypes too, but it was still a lot of fun to go through this. So, what makes a backpack a backpack? Strong ergonomic straps and breathable back support. Something that looks good on you too. Height adjustable straps that can distribute weight to your chest if you carry something really heavy. 2 front straps for holding your sunglasses, no matter if you are left-handed or right-handed. Light reflectors placed discreetly on the main straps. Waist straps that have additional pockets, and you can pull these straps out only when you need them. Strong, wide handle that will not cut your palm in two. At your discretion, you can also carry the backpack as a case with another strong handle on the side of it. And there's a third way to carry this backpack if you travel with your suitcase. Both main straps have small, flat pockets for card-size objects, so you don't have to take your backpack off when using ATM. All zippers are secure and waterproof. The backpack itself is also made of waterproof material of casual color. The upper quick access pocket, and that has another net pocket inside, is purposed for stationery, laptop adapters, or your mobile device. This pocket has really quick access due to its magnet flap. The front of the backpack has another light reflecting wide strip, and 2 flat overlapping pockets. Vertical zippers have protected parks for pullers. Another pocket has a water protected slot for your earphones. It's easy to use, however, not so easy to get your earphones snatched. You can store all your smallest belongings in one flat pocket protected by the side handle. Elastic pocket that is completely flat when you don't use it can accommodate your umbrella or a bottle. This pocket will preserve the temperature of your food, be it a sandwich or a Tupperware. If you need anything inside your backpack, you don't have to take it off on the go. Just keep it on one shoulder and use the side zipper for quick access. Even if some of your stuff is at the bottom of the backpack, you can easily grab it from the side. So, what else is there inside our backpack? It offers 3 functional pockets for tablet, documents, and laptop, 15-inch to 17-inch. We equipped our backpack with a USB wire. You can connect your power bank, put it into a special pocket inside the backpack, and stay connected wherever you are. Another pocket serves for sunglass case, or any other same-size object. Inside part of the front panel is also super functional. 1 flat multi-purpose pocket on a zipper, 2 net pockets for smaller objects or chargers, and any other personal belongings you will put there at your own discretion. We hope you enjoy our backpack just like we do.